choose the design here. We have to find it. We are going to make the changes again. Let's keep editing that structure. So make another design. Explore the changes. So we are going to make the changes. We have to explore the design. Let's keep on